Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you download and install Microsoft Loop on your laptop or PC. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up your browser and then get to the website. So Loop website, which is loop.microsoft.com. So that's the website. So you can either Google it or you can just type this in. It's loop.microsoft.com. So once you get to the home page here, this is what you will see, something like this. That's their home page. So what you're going to do, you're going to download the application now. So on your top here, you will see the install Microsoft Loop option here. So just click on it. All right, so click on it and then click on install. Okay, so this will start the process. So all right, so that's done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and look for my Microsoft Loop application. So that's how you install it. So if I just want to go and check whether it's been installed here, you can search for the Loop. Yep, it's here. It's already installed. It's on my PC. So I'm going to like double click and open it. Okay, so now I'm going to launch it. All right, so it's now working. So I've already installed my application. So all I have to do now is just whether sign up or log into my account and then start using it. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and simple to install Microsoft Loop. So I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.